Hello, we just finally arrived and found the Las Vegas Filipino store or Filipino Seafood City. What we gotta do is to shop around so that we have food supply for a week stay here in Las Vegas. Okay, there we go. What's it? Where? Oh, wait me. Oh. We're now in Seafood City, Las Vegas. Brand new, that's a brand new Seafood City. Yeah. We need a cart. Mamili ka ng ulam eh.
Ayan. Ha? Meron dyan.
Saan ba? Pero Alright. May red ribbon, no? Red chiplan. Ano?
Gusto mo pagkain?
Magtitingin muna ako, ikot muna ako. Gutom ka na?
Gusto mo na pagkain?
No, not yet. So kumikot muna. Ya, kuha na. Ewan ka mo. Dahan-dahan kanyo.
Oo, lagay.
Dahil akit tayo ng bundok. Hindi mo mahal na bilhin natin sa hapon.
Ganyan ka nabili niya?
Diba kung buhit ko ito ko yung $3 lang ha?
Bari 4.
Yeah. Bali po yan. It's cheap.
Yeah.
Oh, dito, halika. Wow, may show pa oh. Wow, man. Bili tayo ng siopaw natin, eh, no? Napakasarap ng I can pay this in front or pay here? I'll pay here? Wow. Magkano? $1.99? Yeah. In San Diego, it's $5. Yeah, wow.
Well, usually it is $5, but we have a
I'll buy one more. change for Mr. Do you mind if I put you in YouTube?
Oh, yeah, sure.
Yeah, you're gonna be in my YouTube.
Okay.
Wow, you have on sale, huh? Thank you, ma'am. Bye-bye. May yung pandesal nila, 199 lang.
Ha?
199 ang pandesal. I
Okay.
can't believe that pandesal is 199. But in San Diego, it's $5. All
And then,
this.
yung ibang klase naman yun. Ted.
Okay, so anong binili mo lang?
Hindi, mag-iikot pa tayo.
Ba't ganyan ka mag... Okay, let's go to meat.
So, pandesal lang bilhin
Yeah,
mo.
yeah, wow. Tama rin pala, madunit pala man. Yeah, May, can you, ano ba yun? Gusto mo ng, ano ba yung...
Ayaw ko mag-prito.
no, ano ba, yung paksiw?
Ayan, tapos ito.
Oh. Yun yung suka.
Ano ba?
Yan, oh, mga suka. Mahal yan, ipiprito mo yan.
Ito yan.
These are fishes. Different kind of fishes. May you can, what do you call this? Prito.
Pero may isda pa nga siya dito.
Ano na? Yung isda naman niya, napaka... Okay, okay, bahala ka. Yun, ito yun. This is their quality meat. Yan, no? Baboy, baka, manok. Plenty of Filipino supply here in Las Vegas. Talagang bigati ng Seafood City. Ayan, pasyal lang tayo. Suka. Ayan, baboy. Ayan o. Tutu. May hangin lang oh. Ayan. Yan, masarap sana. Yan, may oh. I'll be back.